Hi po, good afternoon. This is Rosalie, licensed financial advisor ni ProLife UK. So we have here sample plan po for a 50-year-old client na may 13-in-1 benefits. Ibig sabihin, isang plan, isang insurance na may life, accident, critical illness, hospital at ICU coverage. At may ipon po hanggang retirement. Isang policy lang po ito, pero marami na pong benefits agad. May hulog din po tayo dito na 3,000 or 5,600 or 10,500 a month. Kaya pwede nating piliin kung alin po yung comfortable sa inyo or yung coverage na gusto po natin. And maganda po ito, lalo na kung breadwinner kayo or may business, kasi kapag may biglang nangyari or may mga uncertainties in life, may pera po or claims na pwede natin gamitin at hindi po mabibigla ang family. Meron din po tayong waiver, kaya kung sakaling magkasakit or ma-disable, hindi na kayo magbabayad. Pero itutuloy pa rin yung insurance ni Pru. So, simple lang po, habang nagtatrabaho po kayo, may protection kayo at may makukuha rin sa future. Thank you and God bless!